Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck and Pluto were out riding the Mickey Mouse train. They were meeting Minnie Mouse later in the day at the beach. They were having such a good time. They pulled up at a station for a quick break. Mickey turned to Donald to say that they were nearly at the beach. Donald turned to Pluto to tell him, but he wasn't there. "Where's Pluto?" said Donald to Mickey. Pluto actually hadn't been with them for quite a while. They looked all around and then in the distance they spotted something. "There he is," said Mickey, "but I can't get my train over there to get him." Just then Percy came along. "Oh, Percy," said Mickey, "can you help us? My dog Pluto is right over there, but I can't get my train there to get him back. Can you help us fetch him, please?" Percy agreed and Donald Duck jumped aboard Percy. When they reached Pluto, they found him with a big pile of bones. "So that's why you ran off," said Donald. Donald and Pluto hopped onto Percy and off they set. But Pluto couldn't bear to part with the bones. He jumped off the train, but this time Donald saw him. Percy reversed and they got Pluto on board with all the bones. They made it back to Mickey. They had to load all the bones on Mickey's train as well. But at last they were ready to go to the beach. Minnie Mouse was already at the beach when they arrived. Pluto was chewing on one of his many bones, and Mickey had a lovely bunch of flowers for Minnie. They all had a great time at the beach. Thanks for watching our story. To see more of our videos, click on any of these clips, and if you haven't already subscribed, go on, do so now. See you soon.